Hello guys, bit of bonus footage for you. I don't really do a lot of videos about the Fatbob because most of the work that I did to it was before I started the channel, so it was already done and dusted. Now, this mod is one thing that I've been meaning to do for a while. I have a 475 S&S cam in the Fatbob, and I've got the Two Brothers Racing 2-in-1 Comp S pipe on it. Now, to make it all work together with the tuner that I have in there, I needed a high flow filter. Now, the stock filter is classified as high flow, but we'll go into this a little bit later. It's not as high flow as you'd like. So I did buy an Arlen Ness 65-degree velocity air cleaner, and the performance was absolutely fantastic. But this whole time, it pushed my leg out, so it was uncomfortable for me to use the back brake and have my foot perched on it. There'll be more about this in the video. So I was always looking for a better option, and I found one. So without further ado, let's go in the garage and we'll go over it. So this is the stock air filter, and as you can see, it is a high flow filter, but it's a little narrow here, so there is room for optional airflow options. So I'll show you what I got. Okay, so this is very, very basic, and you'll see I don't really like doing install videos, but to remove the stock air filter, you just remove these two cover bolts here. I already loosened them up earlier, that's why it's so easy. And store this in a safe place. Oh, that's an 1/8" socket. Next one is, what size is that? 5/32. Okay, 5/32 socket, and we're now going to undo these two little bad boys. And the whole thing comes off, and all you want to do is give this a little clean around. It shouldn't be too bad. I've already cleaned this, so it's not bad at all. So these are the two air filters side by side. This is the stock one, and this is the Arlen Ness one. And right away, you can see the difference in the thickness and the surface of the filtration. So the Arlen Ness is a lot bigger. So just for comparison, this is the Velocity 65 that I had on before, and it sort of went right here, but look how far out it protrudes. It's like past the brake pedal, and that was the thing I didn't like about it. The air intake qualities was good, but was not a fan of that. Now, before you start installing your new filter, you're going to need these bolts that come with the kit, and there are two plastic spacers that come with it. Oh crap. Oh, here's the other one. And there are two plastic spacers to make up for the extra width. Now, I highly recommend using some blue Loctite to get this taken care of. So let's go back to the bike. Actually, I'm going to pre-assemble it here. So just put this like this. Then let's get some blue Loctite. I always find this just goes everywhere if I'm not careful. Okay, so just plop that through. Then the next one. There you go. Same dealio. Just plop it through, and then we're going to grab this in my mouth. Put the spacers on. And now, try not, oops, like I nearly did, try not to drop them and locate those threaded pillars that are in back. And I think I've got one already. Okay, that got it. Now the stock cover, it goes over the top of the Arlen Ness symbol. I thought before it sort of scooted underneath, but it doesn't. There's no recess for it. Okay, so just kind of snug this up. Got to get it finger tight. There we go. Make sure it's seated properly. See here, it's not. In it goes. There we go. There. And you can feel it sort of, you can feel it butt up to the spacer. And so then, let's get a socket and just snug it up. Don't go mad over tightening it. It's got Loctite on it, so you're going to be fine. Okay, and then last thing. We've got the two emblem screws. One and two. Let's see, this thread lock, if you're not careful, has a mind of its own. And let's go back to the 1/8 inch socket. And I'll put these on one at a time. Okay. So if you're going to change your placard to a custom one, now would be the time. I kind of like the 114 plate, so I'm just going to leave it. It's got that nice stock look to it. There we go, just finger tight them up and give them a little pinch with the socket. There. Like I say, don't go crazy tightening these up. It doesn't need it. And give it a quick wipe. And that's it, job done. See, so it doesn't take long at all. It's really easy. And to me, this is a much better option than the 65-degree velocity, because I'm able, like you can see here, I'm able to put my foot on here and I got plenty of room for the brake. So it's a win-win really. I get the maximum airflow and I get room on the bike to operate the brake. So this is the Arlen Ness Biog Sucker filter installed. And like I say, it looks very much like stock, except it just kind of comes out a little bit wider here, so it gives you more airflow. So that was embarrassingly easy. Like I say, quick 5 minutes. I mean, this literally took me, what, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, but I thought I'd just show you it anyway. Okay, so very short video, very quick install, but I hope I covered everything for you. It was, like I said, it was a great upgrade. I didn't mention either, the bike runs exactly the same as it did when I had the Velocity 65 on it. So that's a win. I've got the sleek profile of the stock. It's just like 1/2 inch thicker. So I've got that sleek profile of the stock, yet I've got the performance of the V65. So it's a win-win situation. So I hope you liked the video. Please comment down below. Let me know what you think. Thanks for taking the time to stop by, and I'll see you on the next ride.